Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and organize iCloud mail folders. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, as you can see, I'm opening a browser that I prefer using. You can simply go ahead and do that as well and search for iCloud Mail. Once you've done that, click on the first link, make sure that you're logged in into your account. And once you've already logged in into your account, what you want to do is on the left hand side, there's going to be a folders tab. Click on this plus icon and you can make any folder you want. Let's say, for example, trading. So if I get all the any mail from trading, what I can do is simply go ahead and select a mail and then just move message to trading, just like that, and it will be organized. I can create as many as I want to, or I can also go ahead and delete it if I want to by clicking right over here and just deleting it. So just like that. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.